Take a moment to check out the 2019 Toyota Camry. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.